State reveres Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary, observes National Cleanliness Day. Manipur attains open defecation-free status today. Governor hands over ODF certificates to Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah asserts only non-violence will bring triumph in dealing any issues. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng urges all for cooperation in liberating Manipur from bans, blockades and strikes. And State Cabinet gears up to pass ordinance to stop mob lynching in Manipur on October 4. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Reshmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng led the people of Manipur in observing the National Cleanliness Day on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Manipur was declared open defecation free and Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah handed over ODF certificate to Chief Minister Bireng in the event held at GM Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Najma stated that observing the day will be meaningless if the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi on love, harmony and non-violence is not applied in the day-to-day life. She expressed disappointment at the delay in attaining ODF status by the state due to frequent turmoils of ban, strikes, agitations and lack of work culture witnessed in the state. She asserted that Mahatma Gandhi is revered not only in the country but in the entire world. The governor recalled the father of the nation and said Mahatma Gandhi led the nation in its struggle for freedom from the yoke of British rule using non-violence as his most powerful weapon. She said Gandhiji is named as Mahatma, the great soul, and his birthday is observed across the globe as World Non-Violence Day. Governor Najma also urged everyone to keep both body and environment neat and clean for a healthy society. She appealed to follow the ideology of the father of the nation.
I'm full of pride in the declaration of ODF Manipur and handing of the certificate to Honorable Chief Minister. I congratulate the Swachhata Grahis and the Village Water and Sanitation Committee members who have won certificates today for the performance in their own areas. I am fully confident that they will carry forward the teaching of Gandhiji in their true spirit. While celebrating National Cleanliness Day, we should all remember that lofty thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi.
Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng expressed pride that Manipur has attained open defecation free 1 year ahead of Centre's target to declare the entire country ODF by October 2, 2019. He lamented that Manipur would have attained ODF status long ago if not for the bans and lack of work culture in the state. He expressed contentment that Manipur is the 5th state among the Northeast states to attain the status. He also mentioned that 144 common toilet complexes were constructed in 16 districts of the state. The Chief Minister reminded that the community toilet complex can be located using the recently launched Swachh Bharat mobile app. He also disclosed that the state government is considering for holding cleanliness competition for government departments, schools and colleges in the near future.
Open defecation free si koi yam advance na to we aram bani. Northeast the state manga subani nga si kone lo quiz out of 8 thengi. A theng su theng ai koi asip amadi tawre. Theng is ki maram mayam hena khangi. Ekoi ki environment si work culture laitaba. Strike ban Irang the Tauro labor society when a toba. Work culture is the Kitang quite concentrated already. Adum Bharki Manum said number 111 Tali. Atopayam, but I am Tai Pusik Tabahore. And I see assume is the work culture. I emphasis on it, endorse on it.
Manipur today remembered the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has asserted that only non-violence will bring triumph in dealing with any issues. She was speaking in the birth anniversary observance held at the Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan. The Education Department also organized a seminar on the relevance of Gandhiji's non-violence today during the event. Speaking on the occasion, the governor also expressed contentment that Manipur has been declared open defecation free by the state government today. She maintained that the accomplishment is a contribution to Gandhiji's dream of a clean India. She asserted that dwelling on the biography of the father of the nation will lead the youth of today to a successful life.
The country is celebrating Swachhata. I'm very happy that Manipur is free, is ODF. Today morning, I congratulate the Chief Minister that there is no need for people to go out into the open. They all have toilets in their home or public toilets are available in our state. That is something that we should be proud of, we should be happy about.
Chief Minister Biren has appealed everyone to cooperate in declaring Manipur free of ban, blockade and strike, much like in attaining the open defecation free status. He was speaking in the National Cleanliness Day observance at GM Hall today. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren termed the ban called by JAC Manipur Constable 2013 batch as unreasonable. He said the state government cannot take up any action until the pending case in the court is disposed of. He also assured that the state government is making all-out efforts to resolve the Manipur University impasse. He reminded that talks with Manipur University community was held yesterday and that the next round of talks will be held in the near future.
In 2013-16 police constable gi samling nangangi ma ngangudo aina hairi sini ga whatsapp siman thadoi strike numit tarik ahum daina tarik adu phawgi tawdoi ready lairo adu tawra da tawro ka se hujiki sigumba pha ba ji second na phangan phani punni phai ong pulli harakani adu city Manipur state city sarkar ama su laibani na free for all dinate city Mama tong pang to we are opportunity. I ani home log unakre. I me am going to sulak na high kre. Court case laibanina. Please do understand. Court case laiba port ama. Chungera langera. Court to the disposed or of hobo. Sarkar na khud habung amde hai bise. Court ki karigumba matang lagadi. Heck dispose tawgrama sarkarna tawro natraga adu tawro na tarakpa numittuda ai matam thengda haloi time frame da mayamna warai doi khangi adu ai khoina ra hujiki sarkar sina sunate mamangna tawrambani adu hujiki sarkar mamangna tawrambani na khoi chen ge haide court gi sida loi gi jeno subjudice oidabagi heck oidre haiba kanada khoi thama da loyura ani da loyura no mo da loyura pira iba verdict tu gi matung ne khoi tawjage.
Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren has assured to complete the construction of Secretariat building at Chingmairong by January next year. He was speaking in the National Cleanliness Day observance held on the occasion of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi today. General Administrative Department organized the event at Old Secretariat. The Chief Minister urged employees at the Secretariat to complete their works on time. He mentioned that since construction of the new Secretariat was contract-oriented, there were inconveniences in handling the contractors. He disclosed that the former agency for the project was replaced by a new agency yesterday to facilitate construction of the office. Deputy Chief Minister Yunam Joy Kumar, ministers and MLAs took part in the event.
File ano uzu kai khara thu thu na sa tha do ga cleanliness the file jo gi table the file le hand sa chusik la na sa na gi madum tang ga yaw ro ga di chief secretary very thankful to you ano ba secretariat akoi am thu na lotion na honori mayam na huji room gi constraint lai report inconvenient mayam we do understand adu ba huji ga ano ba building sing lotion na hona ba hana gi contractor khara tawrum bani na madu gi ngang na ba ngang na ba convince ong na hona ba da adu ki mati gwa kare adu sinna ngarang na han ikui kui dinga de koi han gi piramba agency du kakthal laga no ga agency ma de koi award tore lotion na ba tore soiram mi sina tai kisunate thabak si contract oriented oiba ma public oriented oiba ani khena ba han gi sina yam ba contract oriented ta rokan da pangtau da tawram bani na systematic kamar iwat walam criticism nate da ekhoi gi ujila isna people's oriented oibani na thak thabak si smoothly salakpa ada adu khaki kitang disturb le binadra mayam na inconvenient oiba koli bodoi koi bhab ta jai aduna atu matam da by January ngarang na hanchu repeatedly meeting to boni January gi bawi manung dari asigi new secretary complex hari base asidai da ship to roga thaba hobo yana na bodoi koi kanna honori mayam na sumateng pangbiu.
Area Level Federation of Imphal Municipal Corporation and National Urban Livelihood Mission, in collaboration with Self-Help Group, also observed National Cleanliness Day at Imphal GM Hall today. IMC Mayor Lokeshwar led the attendees in taking pledge to keep home, localities and workplaces neat and clean. As part of the event, a cleanliness rally flagged off from GM Hall and passed through Khwairamban Market, Shamumakong and concluded at Kangla Southern Gate.
Manipur asi Imphal city asi luna nana thamnabagi damakta system amada amon akai langthokpa matamda patra da hapinaba asotpa amon akai na akhoi asangma machugi patra da aduga akangba amor akaina higong machugi patra da hapinaba Manipur miyam punamakta appeal tawjari lubanan bhaibasi isa isana gyan taba machangi maramdi kanagumba force amana masi luba nalhan bagi sakti leite awareness ama piraga awareness adugi matungina akhoina matung ilaba matamda da akhoi Manipur si Imphal city asi luba nanma ngamgani.
Swachhata Hi Seva campaign organized jointly by Imphal East District Administration and District Water and Sanitation Committee Imphal East since September 15 concluded today. On the other hand, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi was observed at Panchayat Bhavan DC Complex, Imphal East today. DC Imphal East T.H. Chitra, SP Imphal East K. Megachandra, Additional Deputy Commissioner Shamim Ahmed, Executive Engineer of Public Health Engineer Department, Imphal East, K. Rameshwar, including Pradhans, members and Jilla Parishads, took part in the event. Certificates and cash awards were distributed to the winners of the Gram Panchayat level cleanliness competition organized under Swachhata Hi Seva campaign within Imphal East district on the occasion. Nilakuti Gram Panchayat bagged the first place for Imphal East CD Block 1 Sawonbung, while Basikong Gram Panchayat grabbed the first place from Imphal East CD Block 2 Kairao. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee joined the nation in remembering Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary today. MPCC members paid homage to the father of the nation at Congress Bhavan. Speaking to media, opposition leader Okram Ibobi appealed to everyone to imbibe the habit of cleanliness as envisioned by Mahatma Gandhi. Speaking on the prevailing turmoils in the state, Ibobi asserted that any problem can be solved with a proper dialogue and not with violence.
India is democracy later Gundana Aduga Hana Ningthona Kaina Sason Taurinegi, Matamdugi, Yana, Lirabagi Sasoni, Madudi, Pritibi in India, there's not a Pritibi in a Senate, Adana, violence na. Threaten Tona, Pedong the solution of the Purokongamoy, Madunabu Hene Paktok South Hen dangerous strain of the Lankani, Masigi Ras reputation, Panjama context the D. Sugumba, violence, Aduga Damka, Torga, Triton Torga, Kihalaga, Kanzagini, High City, Equity, Congressi, Amawin, Equity Hajade.
Northeast India Development Party, Manipur State, also celebrated the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi at NEIDP office in Tera Bazaar today. State unit members, led by its president, Daukhomang Khongsai, paid floral tribute at a portrait of the beloved leader. Speaking on the occasion, Daukhomang Khongsai stated that the present generation must not forget the struggles of the esteemed leader against the British rule. He recalled that the leader brought unity and attained independence with Satyagraha. Vice Presidents of NEIDP, Oinam Malesh and Yumnam Nabachandra and other executive members of the party took part at the event.
India ki independent ki fighter oiramba civil disobedience movement gat lingkhat lamaga man awa ana tarambasi mayamna ngasi phawse kaudri bani maramdi generation da mangmanga moidaraba mahakna tubirambasi lebak macha singi di yamna kara akhraba porsak ama oina ngasi phawmana sijarasu magi wakhallon magi mayam se hojik su mayam ningsingna duna lejari bani sigumlaba ekhoi leader phajaba ekhoi national na lerambasi ekhoi yamna laibak phaba India macha amani hai.
Health Minister Langpolapom Jendakumar has called on everyone for joint efforts in bringing an all-round development of the state. He was speaking at the concluding event of the 15-day-long Swachhata Hi Seva campaign in Bishnupur district today. District Water and Sanitation Committee Bishnupur PHED organized the event at Panchayat Resource Center Bishnupur Mini Secretariat. Jendakumar urged both the hills and the valley to equally march forward for development. Winners of the cleanliness competition held for 24 Gram Panchayats of the district were felicitated with cash prizes on the occasion. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA Radhakishore, MLA T. Robindro, MLA P. Sarachandra and district-level officers attended the event. Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo, urged everyone not to stigmatize leprosy patients. The director asserted that leprosy is a disease and not a curse. He was speaking in a 150th birth anniversary observance of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, come launching of Sparsh Leprosy Elimination Campaign today. National Health Mission and State Leprosy Unit Manipur organized the event at the Medical Directorate in Lamphel. Dr. K. Rajo stressed the need for early treatment of leprosy before it reaches the final stage where an individual can be rendered disabled.
Mahatma Gandhi na leprosy si bu mutan na bayam kan man hona jan bado adu maning sang banumit amani masi leprosy haiba na basi chronic infectious disease amani masi microbacterium lepre haiba mahi adu thon mani masi incubation period si yam sangi sei kun bawba obi yai aduga yam drabda sei ohum manga phobo obi yai masina sang ragadi diagnosis and early treatment tohdagadi soina ba thokpa yai masida yamna dakar orisi yam thuna khangdokpa yam thuna treatment toktopam darkar oi masi praja mayam na kinari basi kibiganu hereditary nate yam lawna kan balaina sunate lawnari बसिदी अखोइना मी मसा अमगा थेंगनाबदा लौनादे लोक तिन हक्थि खनबा लोक खुबो सिदैदा यावबा महिकनि अदुना मसी अखोइना यामना किनिंगाय ओइबा नते मसी प्रजा मयामना किबिगनु हाइबा वाहै सिमथंग आई थमजगे
Bishnupur Commando Campus, SP Office, Mini Secretariat Road and Court Complex of Bishnupur District were cleaned as a part of National Cleanliness Day observance today. Bishnupur District OC Commando Inspector B. Lungthang Wi-Fi organized a cleanliness drive under the supervision of SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam. Staffs carried out the cleanliness drive from 6 to 8 this morning. Kasturba Gandhi Institute for Development KGID Manipur observed Gandhi Jayanti at KGID Manipur Complex in Changangai, Uchikon today. KGID Manipur and Peace Gong Manipur chapter jointly organized the event. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District Branch and Chamber of Commerce Medical Care and Research Center jointly carried out a social service drive in Thangal Market as part of Gandhi Jayanti today. The drive held on the theme to keep city clean, to keep hospital surrounding clean and to create Swachh Bharat was participated by the officials and staffs of both the institutes. United Bank of India Imphal branch carried out a cleanliness drive as a part of Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat from Mahatma Gandhi Avenue to Khoyathong traffic point this morning around 6:30. Bank employees and shopkeepers along the lane took part at the drive. India and Myanmar jointly observed the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi at the adjoining area of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and number 2 today. Deputy Commissioner Tamu, SP Tamu, Myanmar's civil agencies and top officials of More Police, around 100 Myanmaris and 150 Indian civilians attended the event. Vehicle Safety Association More has undertaken steps to prevent loss of two-wheelers from More town with approval from ADC More. Two-wheelers can be parked from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Ima Kaithel, More to SBI More for a charge of 10 rupees per ticket. Secretary of Vehicle Safety Associations More Thangminan Mate believe that the initiative will somehow curb vehicle theft in the area. He appealed for public cooperation for the same. Narcotics and Affair in a press release informed the Narcotics Cell Bishnupur and Narcotics and Affairs of Border Police Station have nabbed 2 drug peddlers from Sawongbong Paurabi Lamkhai, Imphal East, along with possession of opium worth 24 lakh and 30,000 rupees yesterday. The arrested persons are identified as Thangminlal Khongsai from Saisat Khongsai of Bungnom Charhazar and Chineng Simte from Chano. It is time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Silver Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Muslims Welfare Association. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren has disclosed that ordinance to stop mob lynching in Manipur will be passed by the cabinet on October 4. He was speaking in the Silver Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Muslims Welfare Association at Hotel Imphal today. Expressing discontentment at the mob lynching of Farooq in Tharoijam, the Chief Minister disclosed that the ordinance will be passed and soon be enforced into a law to prevent such incident in Manipur. Biren maintained that politics is for bringing unity and harmony in society and not to bring disharmony. Biren assured that his government will always strive for development, casting aside discriminations based on caste, creed and religion. He stressed the need to look forward and adapt with changes around instead of falling back on the past events. The Chief Minister asserted that the state government aims to empower the weakest section of the society. He expressed a desire for increased participation of Meitei Pangal in all the state events. Chief Minister Biren also expressed a desire for the government and concerned organizations to work together in finding the root cause of why people resort to illegal earnings to take necessary measures. The Chief Minister launched a website of AMPWA and a welfare scheme for skill development for youth and widows of the association on the occasion.
Sativa mob justice, mob lynching, control don't prevent ordinance, law for the I'm saying ordinance by Marida Pango cabinet ordinance passed already. How a quick reminder of the Honga is the quick reminder of me. Kamayabi, Kamai chicken, high report on the Chanaga. Nashiki Miro and Litum Miro. How we could operate, let us forget and forget. How we were so many later, they were man the second number. How we would not paramo or a put the bucket hadoma, Pabake to Tawaka, which is.
Meanwhile, people took out a mass rally protest against the mob lynching of Muhammad Farooq Khan from Lilong Haurabi Mayalekai Ngangau Bazaar up to Lilong Bazaar this afternoon. Thousands of protesters joined the rally and later staged a sit-in at Lilong Bazaar. Protesters demanded to pass Manipur mob lynching control and prohibition bill in the assembly and to award befitting punishments to the perpetrators. First, Nupilal 1904 Memorial Observation Committee commemorated the sacrifices of the brave Manipuri women during the 1904 Nupilal at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, General Secretary of the Observation Committee M. Sakhi stated that the event was held to pay homage to the brave mothers of the era. She also appealed to the state government to acknowledge the day.
Ngasigi lengak mamang da pankiba mayam sing asina ahan banupila nasigi ningsing bidabase masi amuktang ningsing biduna aikoi tungi horeiba mirol kaya sing asidaida ahan banupilan thokiba ase masi amuktang di observe tawbiu aduga ningsing biu aduga loinana ngasigi leiriba tongan ba loop mayam sing asina makhal kaya gi tongan ba aikoi tholeiba mayam sing ase amuktang di punminna tana laipak asi shanti oina hingminana nabagi damakta aikoi ahan banupila nasi observe tawba ngasidagi hauminarasi haiba wafam adu thamjari.
Sanskrit scholars were felicitated in an annual event organized by Manipur Samskrita Academy under Rajashri Samskrita Gokulam Trust Imphal. Religious songs in Sanskrit like Sankalapatha, Deya Mantra, Gita Patha, etc. were sung and dances were also performed in the event held at Lamyangba Shanglen in Palace Compound. Forest Minister Thaunojam Shyam Kumar asserted that unwanted events are happening as people no more follow the teachings of their respective religions.
Sanskrit iriba maruweba miyoiba tayong pana po akanta tawgadaba sa lonsa kanglon singado adu chatpa ngamba mi singado bani ina khunba lon haribi kariguma iriba laigado akoi mapan thongda utpanataba manungoiba thamoigoiba nungsiba adu hisi akoi ngak bangam da badani crime and crime thor imya Sanskrit lon da ngasi di akoi na nungsiba akoi miyoiba na tawba yadaba koi sola samnaba yadaba chatpa yadaba sajali chat myam singado marik chumna iri mana ningiba dharma magi sasada iriba magi leiba jati dugi leiba kaluk dugi iriba lyric sastra mayam sing adu mari chumna khanga gandani koina santi leiba amago nungsinama ngamba leipa amago gidoribese.
Nongpok Chingu Thong Semgat Sagatpa Punbalub has organized Langpal Chaklen Katpa with the attendance of over 4,000 people to pay homage to deceased forefathers at Seloi Langmaiching today. Speaking on the occasion, head of the Lub Th. Ulipa stated that the feast was offered to the forefathers and original Yeksalai. He said the occasion will mark the end of culture of Tritha offerings outside the state. A one-day legal awareness program on mentally ill and mentally disabled persons (POCSO) and implementation of poverty alleviation scheme was held at Singjamai Chingamathak Pisum How Ground today. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, organized the program under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority with an aim to raise awareness regarding crimes committed toward the mentally ill people and their legal rights. Taking part at the event, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Dr. R.K. Kumar did recall that government had already passed the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act in December of 2016. Lamlai Kendra Development Committee has repaired the damaged culvert above Tharopokpi Canal flowing towards Akabi River in Laushangkong. Speaking to media, Vice President of the committee, Sundar, stated that the damaged culvert brought inconvenience to passers-by in the area for quite some time. He said the repair work was initiated by local social worker Achoibam Debin. Sundar assured of various other developmental works from Lamlai constituency in the future and urged everyone in the constituency to extend their cooperation.
Lamlai Development Committee na tugang putinggi awal pa yang kanbama isaruk amo wena ngasi Laushangkong tugang kita su boju thada ba dagi kono to gi kendra jigi manung sana laiba tugang juga ko chat na kari ko tawwe abo sosai no kana mana tawwe abo to mayam na chat na gi ai ondra abo mayam na chat kari development committees na tabak chat thari mayam ji niyam na sotuk bibi.
The Patabi Bridge located near Laikot village at Sabungkok collapsed due to faulty foundation. Transportation has been completely cut off between Sabungkok and Laikot, bringing plight to the villages. The villager drew the attention of the government to take immediate measures to ease their plights. A one-day awareness program cum training program on disaster management was held at Ima Kondong Lairembi Shanglen in More today. Civil Defense Manipur organized the program sponsored by Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur. Deputy Controller, Relief and Disaster Management and Civil Defense, Government of Manipur, Ayub Khan, spoke on how to save oneself and help others during earthquake and other natural calamities during the program. The 63rd Wildlife Week Celebration 2018 began in Thoubal today. Thoubal Forest Division organized the event at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. Ahead of the launching event, DFO Thoubal Ganesh flagged off a cycle rally from Forest Beat Office in Kakching, Lamkha till Khongjom War Memorial Complex, carrying the message to protect wildlife. Kabui Mother Association, Kama Manipur, in a press release informed that Atongpi Kamaipui is elected as Kama President till 2021 and Ranjita Golmaipui is elected as the General Secretary of the organization. Chief Minister Nongthom Mambiren has assured that Manipur University crisis will be resolved without further delay. He also said the police has been instructed not to proceed with the FIR anymore. The Chief Minister was speaking at launch of Manipur's first satellite television channel named Lamjingba Times of Manipur and a local daily entitled Lamjingba Times of Manipur Today. The media firm under Lamjingba Groups is located at Uripo, Khoisnam, Laikai. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Biren said solution to Manipur University crisis can be brought about only by holding dialogues between the parties involved. Expressing that the state government is making all-out efforts to end the varsity issue, the Chief Minister intimated that instructions were given to deploy police forces only in the administrative block of the university, stating that the newly launched Times of Manipur will contribute a great deal in circulating news of the state to the rest of the country and the world. Chief Minister Biren urged everyone not to portray Manipur as a troubled state.
MU is good progress. Almost fair missing police during the period of negotiation talks. Moi the Tana than a corner than a buy and a Tomapada, could have put them high grade, Narang the Gidam Tana Conaba, Malacre, and Narang the Gi canoe except administrative block Hardu Natana, Ati Zagada, Secretary Tamdanaba, high grade, permission editors Tagali, Moina Karchenbiri.
Meanwhile, Mosu in a press release said since the VC in charge, Professor Yugindro wanted to get approval from the Chief Minister before withdrawing the FIR filed against some teachers and students of the university when lady students and women teachers of Manipur University requested for the withdrawal. It hints that the recent police raids in Manipur University is a well set up conspiracy. Mosu demanded to reinstate the 4 teachers unexpectedly suspended by registrar in charge. It also urged the relevant authority to resolve the varsity crisis and restore normalcy at the earliest. A Gram Sabha on the theme of Sabki Yojana, Sabka Vikas was held today at Hairok Part 2, Bamunlaikai Community Hall. The Gram Sabha organized by Hairok Part 2 Gram Panchayat discussed on the scarcity of safe drinking water in the Gram Panchayat. Construction of proper drainage system and installation of hand pumps were also discussed during the event. Proscribed group Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release has accused Yeningtha Marup, an organization based in Singjamai, Chingamakha, for allegedly duping many people from various parts of Imphal of hefty amount of money. Upon complaints by the residents, the group investigated the matter and it came to light that one woman member of Yeningtha Marup along with 12 people have been collecting money on the pretext of giving it to underground outfit. The press release demanded Yeningtha Marup to stop all such illegal activities, defaming the group, and demanded a public clarification within 5 days. The proscribed group has warned of stern actions if Yeningtha Marup fails to comply. English translation of Sahitya Academy awardee Vidyasagar Naurem's book Khungang Amasung Refugee was released today. The English version entitled The Village and the Refugee is translated by Salam Rupachandra. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture Professor Naurem Khagendra, President of Cultural Forum Manipur Professor Huirem Behari, writer Vidyasagar Naurem and many people attended the event held at Jain Manipur Dance Academy. Ipak Films Production Manipur in collaboration with Manipur Farm Enterprise Private Limited will organize state-level open slogan competition with an aim to green Manipur's agricultural lands. Interested individuals are informed to get further details from Ipak office at Kaisamthong, Hodam Lairak latest by 4 p.m. on October 6. Assam Rifles have been undertaking various outreach programs to boost unity among the people of the country. MLA Wangjing Tentha P. Brojain has flagged off 25 students from altogether 24 schools of Thopal district for an exposure trip under the outreach program. 26th AR Brigadier Amit Kaptial also took part in the flagging of ceremony at Thoubal Assam Rifles Battalion headquarters today. The students will get to sightsee historically significant places of India in New Delhi and Pune. They will also meet the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Assam Rifles believe that the National Integration Tour will enlighten students on the rich cultural heritage of the country. The trip will continue till October 16. Governor Secretariat and House Establishment Raj Bhavan in a press release notified the written examination for recruitment to the posts of stenographer, office assistant, Mali, driver, sweeper and Khalsi will be held at Johnstone Higher Secondary School on October 7. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Kakching District Committee has seized large amount of country-made liquor and 295 liters of distilled indigenous liquor during a drive at Wabagai Lamkhai Bazaar and Wabagai Tera Urak yesterday. Kada lamented that the state has never taken actions to curb the menace or give befitting punishments to the miscreants. Prescribed Outfit People's Liberation Army in a press release clarified that Narengbam Ratan Kumar, alias Ratan, 49 years, son of late Yogeshwar, arrested by Imphal West District Police Commando on September 22 from Kwakaithel Thiamlekai is not related with RPF and its alliance, People's Liberation Army, in any manner. Now the sports news. Moray Youth Club kicked off a football tournament on its Golden Jubilee celebration at Moray Ward No. 2 Gaingam Lenthol ground today. 12 senior boys team and 12 veteran team will play in the tournament to be continued till October 27. 12 women team will also play in volleyball matches as a part of the tournament. MYC Unit 8 and MYC Unit 9 played the opening football match. KYSU Kairembikok, SDC Samurao, AMYC Andro, IGO Oinam and SUWCA Irengbam beat their opponents in the ongoing 17 state-level mini boys volleyball tournament 2018 today. Mikya B Mayang Imphal, Mikya A Mayang Imphal and NYV8 Naurim will play against YPA Hiranmai, IGO Oinam and SDI Ishok respectively in their Group D, C and A matches tomorrow morning on the third day of the tournament. Similarly, in the evening matches, TRYVC Ukrul, SUWCB Irengbam and SUWCA Irengbam will compete against YMBO Herangoithong, SDC Samurao and AMYC Andro respectively in their Group B, C and D matches. All Manipur Volleyball Association and Kairembikok Youth Sporting Union jointly organized a tournament at Kairembikok Mayalekai Community Hall in Thoubal District since yesterday. People accorded warm welcome to Sujeta Konthaujam, who bagged gold medal in the 3rd Annual National Martial Arts Games at Imphal Airport today. Sujeta won the yellow medal in the 46 kg category kickboxing event. The Games was organized by Chinese Shaolin Kung Fu Federation and Bicham Martial Arts Academy under the aegis of Global International Martial Arts Federation at Bogeshwari Pokhanani Indoor Stadium, Dispur, SAI and Shibgram, Guwahati from September 28 to October 1st. Sujeta also bagged gold medal in the National Muay Thai Championship 2018 organized by All India Muay Thai and Muay Boran Federation under the aegis of Global International Martial Arts Federation. Sujeta is the daughter of Ingo and Sakhimacha from Huikap, Makhalikai. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State reveres Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary, observes National Cleanliness Day. Manipur attains open defecation-free status today. Governor hands over ODF certificate to Chief Minister Nongthom Mambiren. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah asserts only non-violence will bring triumph in dealing any issues. Chief Minister Nongthom Mambiren urges all for cooperation in liberating Manipur from ban, blockades and strikes. And State Cabinet gears up to pass ordinance to stop mob lynching in Manipur on October 4th.